Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a selenite gray metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has an illuminated star in the grille, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior with a black ash natural grain wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Come around back, we've got GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, we've got blind spot assist, premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, advanced parking package with a 360 surround view camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 26,707 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.